Okay, I'm just going to recap again. Alright, in this chapter on equation of circle, okay, there are two things you need to know about circle. You need to know the radius as well as the center. Alright, if this circle is presented on a graph paper where you have your y-axis as well as your horizontal axis, there's one more dimension you need to include. Not just the radius. The radius is just a measurement. Am I right? It will tell you the number of units. But for the center, you will have to tell me the coordinates of the center. Okay? In general form, the center will be given by this. Okay? This will be the general form of how a circle will look like. Okay, what is important in this topic is it's not just about the drawing. You need to form the equation of a circle. Okay, so now, given this particular circle, I'm going to tell you the equation of a circle will look like this. Can you see where this A and B come from? A is actually the x coordinate of the center. B is actually the y coordinate of the center. Please take note, it's minus A minus B. The whole term bracket square is equal to the radius square. Okay, can I give you 1 minute to just copy this information down first? And you need this for the entire topic. And the entire topic is just about this. That's all. The x and y just represent the x and y axis where it lies on. Okay? Because the equation, remember, in any equation of curve, in any equation of a straight line, is represented by x and y. Am I right? Y is equal to 2x plus c. Does that sound familiar? That's your straight line graph, right? Okay, if you need to know the chapter, it's chapter 6, 6.1. Okay, once you're done copying, I need you to refer to page 187. Alright, practice now 2. Part A. Okay, by the way, I'm also going to teach you English now. Center, C-E-N-T-R-E versus another center called C-E-N-T-E-R. Are they the same? What's the difference, Andy? This is center. This is also center. Yes, I know. This is center. This is center. This is what we call in the middle. This is what we call a place, shopping center. Okay, when it's a complex, shopping center is the ER. When it's in the middle, it's RE. Okay, don't get it wrong. Of course, I won't penalize you for spelling error, not for such things. Okay, but for E-Math, there's one particular topic. If you spell wrongly, I'll have to penalize you. We have not come to that yet. Okay, now, based on whatever we have done so far, okay, this is the example given to us. The center is -1 and 3 and the radius is 4. Can you form the equation of the circle by yourself now? So, Zhenyu, can you write down for me how? Yeah, using this as a reference. No, just read out. The question is here already. Bracket x Thank you. X plus 1 bracket square plus y minus 3 bracket square will give you 4 square, which is 16. Okay, class, if you're going to give me this answer, you will not get the full marks. In this topic, this is just a standard form of an equation of a circle. Make a good guess. What must we do to this? Expand and simplify. Okay, expand and simplify. Okay, I'm going to give you another 10 seconds. Expand and simplify everything to the left hand side. Okay, after you expand and simplify, please simplify all those terms in terms of x first. After that, simplify all those terms in terms of y. Before you have your constant. So in this case, we will have negative 6. And if this is your final answer, please underline. Okay? And that will be your equation of the circle. And this is only worth 1 mark. By writing this standard form out, it's not worth 1 mark. This is the standard form. Okay? This is the form that we need. Equation of a circle. Easy? You'll be doing this throughout the whole chapter. It's just that in the work problem, you have to go and find out what is the center, what is the radius. Now they give you straight away. Easy? Please do part B for me. Okay, when you're doing your own question, I want to make it a habit. This topic only got center and radius. You may tell me, Mr. Lee, it's too obvious already. Can we don't write out? I want it to be a good practice. We always write center and radius out if possible. But if it's given in the question very direct, you don't want to write out, I'm okay with it. Okay? But you just have to tell yourself in this topic, whatever you need to do, always find out what is the center, what is the radius. So far? Anyone has question? Okay, Okay? Okay, now we're going to do a little bit of reverse. That's why I want to do example 1 first. Okay, can you take a look at practice now 1 on page 186? Now they give you the equation. They want you to find the center as well as the radius. Am I right to say that so long you can write in this form, it's very easy for you to identify the center as well as the radius? Okay? This must be in bracket square form. And this is what we call completing the square. You remember? Completing the square in x, completing the square in y is equal to a number where it must be written as a square number. Okay? I'm going to do the first example with you because that's the easiest one. The other two you do yourself. If you take a look at part A. Am I right to say this is just x minus 0 bracket square? Y minus 0 bracket square is equal to 9 square. So in this case, I can tell you straight away, the center is actually 0, 0. 0, 0 has another special name. Origin. So So there's nothing wrong in telling me it's actually the origin. Similarly, you must be able to tell me the radius. Of course, this is 9 square. You must be able to tell me that this is 9 units. Okay, I've done the first one for you. Can you do likewise for part B and part C? And we are done with the first part already. So easy. At 10:40 today, right? Mr. Part B, can you tell me what is the center? Are you sure? You want to double check your answer again? Remember, this is a negative, this is a negative. Negative 4, 6. How about the radius? Okay, so please don't belittle the question. Seemingly it's very easy, but you must take note. The standard form says that the completing the square, this must be a negative value. Okay, don't belittle it. 1 mark will be gone just like that. Alright, last but not least. Okay, the last one, part C. Hazel, can you give me the center as well as the radius? Okay, 0, negative 1/3. How about your radius? 4. Okay. Any issues? Very good, we are done. The basics.